What if one of the world's smallest organisms is powering some of its biggest industries? That's the story behind the Yeast Market. Lazafra International leads the market with 19% share, backed by decades of expertise in baking, fermentation, and biotechnology. Angel Yeast follows at 12%, driven by its strong global presence in food and industrial yeast solutions. Associated British Foods captures 10%, while Lalman and Kerry Group hold 7% and 4% respectively, reflecting their broad portfolios in fermentation, food ingredients, and specialty nutrition. What makes this market stand out is the expanding role of yeast beyond traditional baking, with application spanning food, beverages, bioethanol, and biotechnology. As demand for sustainable, fermentation-based solutions grows, innovation in yeast technology will continue to shape the market. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.